am a monster, this is ambition. Put this type of card to keep a bad vision. But I don't see competition. They want me to come and help them, but I am not a magician. I'm on my floor, I'm tipping. You better move out my way. I am not here to play. King Green, take me to it. Cause I win again. I was just filming a Nicki Minaj makeup tutorial from the Feeling Yourself video, so I was in a very Nicki vibe. Okay, what's up, my beautiful, smart, unique individuals, women and men? How are you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hello, my name is Natalie and this is my channel, MUSIC2MAKEUP. So, today's video, I actually already filmed, but there were some issues, so I am refilming. I do not have the Birchbox box anymore, but I did take a picture of it, so I will insert that before I show you the products. But I'm going to be doing a Battle of the Boxes unboxing between Birchbox and Play by Sephora for the month of October. They are both beauty subscriptions. They're both $10 a month. Let's get into it. The October Birchbox looks like. So let's go through the products. The first product is this Malin & Golet's Vitamin E Face Moisturizer. Full size is $50. This is 0.5 ounces. It says, filled with vitamin E and hyaluronic acid, this lightweight, oil-free moisturizer gently hydrates without clogging pores. Use in the morning alone or before makeup. Okay, I have tried a face wash from the, oh, and their lip stuff is really good. I remember I used to love that stuff. So I have tried a few of their products and they're good. The next product is one that I'm not going to pronounce correctly. It is Adese New York Kupuwasu Butter Lip Balm. And I actually know I pronounced that correct because it has the pronunciation right there. It says that this lip butter seals in 240% more water than the average balm. Huh. So here is what it looks like. And it does have like a little white center. Looks like a Tootsie Pop, but I'm sure that's like some moisturizer. So, I mean, I honestly am satisfied with my Glam Glow Pout Muds and my Laneige Sleep Mask, but I'll always try new balms. They just never really impressed me as much as those two. Alright, the third product is this Oribe Thick Dry Finishing Spray. It says, take your hair to new heights with this volume boosting formula that immediately plumps and thickens strands. So I am thinking that this is similar to the Living Proof, I forget what it's called, but it's like volume. You spray it and your hair goes like, it's amazing. I was like, how did it just do that to my hair? So, I mean, I have a wig on, so I don't want to do it now, but this is an amazing, amazing brand. They are expensive. Full size is $42. This is 50 mLs. So yeah, because I want to get their blonde shampoo and conditioner, and they're like $48 each. I'm like, damn. Alright, the next product I was not happy about. And I'm still not happy about it. This Perlice BB Tinted Cream in Light. Full size, $35. It's a BB cream. If you don't know my feelings on BB creams, that's how I feel about them. Okay, moving on. Ooh, this I actually am excited about. It is the R & Co Acid Wash ACV Cleansing Rinse. full size is $32. This is 1 fluid ounce. That's pretty good. Detoxify your scalp with this pre-shampoo treatment made with apple cider vinegar extract to break down product buildup. Apply and massage, leave on for 1 to 3 minutes, then rinse. That is really awesome. So right now I've been using the Bumble and Bumble BB Scalp Detox, which I love. It like fizzes and it's cooling, but I'm almost out of it. So I am excited to try something else. Yay! So like these two things are what I am most excited about in my Birchbox. I will have to see how the other two perform, and I will never try the 5th one. So can't tell you how it is, but I'm sure I'll give it to someone, so maybe they can let you know. All right, to go on to Play by Sephora. So it looks like they have just changed their bags from the linen bags to these like plastic kind of Ziploc-y bags that say Play by Sephora in the front, and then they have a little quote on the back. But I don't care about the bag, I care about the products. Let's get into these products. Girl, I wish I could be surprised like I was yesterday, but I'm not. All right, so let me get out my informational packets. The first product included in my Play by Sephora is this Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Foundation in Y245. It says a full coverage liquid foundation that controls shine and blurs imperfections. Yes, please. Oil free, water resistance. Yes, yes. Oh, and it also says it's 24 hours on here. So I have been wanting to try this. So excited. I wanted to try it today, but I'm like, no, you can't use the product if you're gonna be doing an unboxing. Okay, the next product is this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Quench Hydrating Primer. So it says it's a hydrating primer that refreshes skin and protects it from environmental pollutants. Huh. Let's see what it's like. Oh, don't you hate that? When you take like the foil off, but then the clear film is still there? Like a gel, it's like a bluish gel. Ooh. It's really soft and hydrating. I am excited to try that. This is so small though. How much is it? It's probably too small to even say. Oh no, it's 0.10 ounce, 3 mLs. So generous of you, Tarte. Alright, the next product is this Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. So it says it is a gentle gel cleanser that removes dirt and makeup without drying skin. I actually have this in my shower right now. I do not like the smell of it. I don't know what it smells like. Smells don't really bother me, and it is very gentle. I mean, it's a decent face wash. It's not one of my favorites, but it does a good job. Maybe I just don't. I think maybe it's the smell, but I don't know. Oh, the next product. You know how I usually complain when I get products that I already have? Well, this is one of the products that I will never complain about getting too many of. And it is the Benefit Give Me Brow in volumizing eyebrow gel in light. It says a tinted brow gel that creates natural looking fullness and definition. If you don't know, I am obsessed with this product, cannot live without this product, use it on a daily basis. The end. Okay, the next product I also already have, but will take as many as you would like to give me, Sephora. And it is this Caudalie Vino Perfect Radiant Serum. I have been using this every single day. It is amazing. It's so smoothing and hydrating. It's not sticky like some serums can be. And you can tell, like, there's a noticeable difference in your radiance and just the overall appearance of your skin. I am loving this. I'm going to be so sad when I'm out of my samples. And my bonus, if you want to call it that, is this replica Maison Margiela replica sailing day. Like a sailboat. So I'm not gonna spray it because I sprayed it last night. And here's my description of it. It smells like a stuck-up, like, rich white girl who has like a sweater tied around her shoulder, like getting ready to go on her daddy's yacht. And that's my description of it. Sephora's description of it is a sea-inspired scent that begins with a splash of aquatic accord, then dives deep to reveal coriander before settling on notes of red seaweed essence. I don't know which description sounds better. Mine might, actually. Alright guys, so despite the perfume, this box was awesome. Like, this is why Play by Sephora is my favorite. The Birchbox, there are good items, but I just felt like Sephora was better. Let me know in the comments which box you thought was better for the month of October and which product you are most interested about in general. I have to say, just because I haven't tried it before, this ACV Acid Wash Rinse, because I've been wanting to try it, and this primer. Oh, and the foundation. Like, they're, okay, never, just stop, Natalie. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you next time.